AI tools that have the potential to help you earn money. 1. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that enables individuals and businesses to outsource small, repetitive tasks to a distributed workforce. You can use AI tools to automate some of the tasks and leverage the platform to earn money by completing tasks or by creating AI-powered tasks for others to complete. 2. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners to display targeted ads on their sites. While not an AI tool per se, you can use AI-powered content generation tools to create high-quality content that attracts more visitors to your website, increasing your potential ad revenue. 3. Chatbot development. Chatbots are AI-powered conversational agents that can be integrated into websites, apps, or messaging platforms. You can develop and offer chatbot services to businesses to enhance customer support, automate interactions, and improve user engagement. Before going to next, gladly request you to like and subscribe the channel. 4. AI-driven data analytics. Many businesses are looking to extract valuable insights from their data using AI and machine learning techniques. You can provide data analytics services that leverage AI tools and algorithms to help businesses make data-driven decisions and optimize their operations. 5. AI-powered content creation. Content creation is a time-consuming task, and businesses often seek ways to automate it. AI tools that generate articles, blog posts, social media content, or product descriptions can be used to offer content creation services to clients, saving them time and effort. 6. Image and video analysis. With the increasing demand for image and video data analysis, you can leverage AI tools for tasks like image recognition, object detection, video summarization, or sentiment analysis. Offer these services to businesses in domains such as e-commerce, social media, or surveillance. Enjoy watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel for more content like this.